In this video, I'll show you how to add money to Payoneer. Before we begin, it's important to understand that Payoneer is not usually used like a normal wallet, where you simply top up money with any card or cash deposit. Payoneer is mainly designed for receiving business payments, marketplace payouts, freelance earnings, and client payments. So, the available ways to add money may depend on your country, account type, and verification status. First, log into your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Once you are on the dashboard, check whether your account is fully verified. If Payoneer asks for identity verification, address verification, bank details, or a questionnaire, complete those steps first. Some receiving features may not work until your account is approved. Next, go to Get Paid, Receive, or Receiving Accounts. This section shows the bank details Payoneer provides for receiving payments in supported currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, and others. Choose the currency account you want to receive money into. Payoneer may show details like account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, or SWIFT code. You can copy these details and use them to receive eligible payments from companies, marketplaces, or approved business clients. Another way to add money is through platforms that support Payoneer payouts. For example, if you work on a freelance website, sell products online, or earn from an affiliate network, you can choose Payoneer as your payout method if it is available. Once the platform sends your payment, the money will appear in your Payoneer balance. You may also use the Request a Payment feature if it is available in your account. Open Payoneer, choose Request a Payment, enter your client's details, amount, currency, and payment description, then send the request. Your client can follow the payment instructions and pay you through one of the supported methods. In some cases, you may receive money from another Payoneer user, depending on account eligibility and Payoneer's rules. The sender may use your Payoneer email address or account details to send the payment. Always remember to follow Payoneer's payment guidelines. Personal deposits, unsupported transfers, or payments from sources Payoneer does not allow may be rejected, delayed, or returned. That's how to add money to Payoneer safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.